Model, 2016 VAUXHALL Combo L2 Diesel 2300 1.3 CDTI 16V ecoFLEX H1 van body, silver, panel van mileage, 123346 MOT, the 28th of February 2024 engine, 1248 cc 3D transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Has recently been replaced with a turbo, pulls like a train for a combo, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and